Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to open Terabox video without app or login. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. First thing you need to do is to open your Telegram. Once you have successfully logged in to your Telegram application, so simply in the search bar you have to search for Tera DL robot. After searching, here you will find Terabot link to video bot at the top. So simply click on this, and after that tap on menu and click on start the bot. Now it will ask you for send the Terabox links, so simply you just have to send your Terabox links. Now click on send. After that it will show you a processing URL. Now here you will find your Terabox link video. So in order to watch this video you have to tap on this online player. It will show you a loading video. Now you just have to tap on this middle player button. So simply tap on this play. As you can see, I have successfully played a Terabox video without app or login. And that's it. Now you know how to open Terabox video without app or login. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.